Welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. Ooh, check out the Zennies. You already know what time it is, man. Hey, look. So, wanted to check back in with y'all, man. We finally getting to work on this these headers. Finna get these headers changed out. Get them changed out. And I ain't gonna hold you. Your boy jumped the gun before I cranked up this camera. And I already got one. It gone. It gone. You know what I mean? Tucked off over here on the side. Them shorties. Looking oh so horrible. Versus the newbies that's going in. Driver's side pretty decent, man, to go in. I might, in order to get the new ones in, man, I might go ahead and take these spark plugs out. I'm debating. My homeboy said I should be able to go in through the bottom and get it straight. But in order to do it, I'm gonna have to cut that bottom pipe down. I'm gonna have to cut it. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to cut this. So I'm gonna do away with all this, y'all. This is garbage. So I'm gonna cut it all in one piece. I'm gonna drop it. And before we go back up with the new ones, I'm gonna go ahead and change out that cross member. I'm gonna spray up under there, do a body coat. I need to order a transmission pan too, so I can change out the transmission pan. I'm dreading on this side. I ain't gonna even fold you. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This side over here, man, it's a little cluttered. You know what I mean? I was watching my homeboy, 87. I was watching 87 SS boy do his, and my man had a time of his life getting on these. So I reckon I'm gonna have the same. Now to take these out, to take these headers out, it's gonna be easy to get them out, but it's just gonna be hard with the new ones. I'm hoping it's gonna be easy to get them out. So we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna get these plugs off. I'm gonna move these plugs away. Got that carb on. That carb, man. That carb. Yeah, I'm glad I made that Holly change, man. I can tell an instant difference. I can tell a difference in sound. I can tell a difference in cranking. And it ain't even really been tuned yet. So I'm definitely gonna get that tuned too. As soon as we get this done, that's gonna be the next move. Get it tuned, and then we up out of there. You did. So stay tuned. Let me go and get this, and we're gonna come right back to you. You did. All right, and we back, and yeah, I'm having the time of my life on this joint. Couple things. Oil dipstick in a way. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt it and take it out. That should give me exactly what I need. That back bolt to hold these headers in, trash. Straight trash. Can't even hold you. That sucker's so close to the edge. Like this one seemed like it's alright, but the other one, man, it's like really close. So you can barely get a tool on that thing, man. So, but yep, trash. So I'm gonna take this oil dipstick out. You got this size 13. I already sized it up. So, and it don't help that this ground is in the way. Let me see if I can get that thing on there. Wait, it might not be a 13. Actually, it is. I got a size 12. Wrong play. That's why I hate when my tubes get unorganized. So, let me see if I got 13 here. 13, 11. This is 12. Let's use this one. Bam. Easy enough. Easy enough. Bam. Alright, so that's all. This kind of stuff I hate doing, man. Like when you gotta take apart too many things. I don't be liking that. I don't be liking that. Alright, so we got it out. I didn't really have to take this off, but I did because I needed to spin it a little bit. So yeah, so that's out. So we Gucci. We got this. You see how close this is, man? Oh man, somebody bang that in too. Do you see how close that is? That's dope, man. That's trash, though. The designer needs poor. But we out. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop here for now. Take me a little brizzy. Come back out here tomorrow. Start cleaning up some stuff. And then we're gonna get to it. Ooh, didn't I scratch that up? I did. Can't stay pretty forever. But alright, so we done there, man. Got the old ones out. See that one way over there tucked off in the corner. We Gucci. So stay tuned, man. We're gonna go and get them new ones in. I need to cut back the pipes. Actually, I'm gonna just hack the whole system out as a whole. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, drop it, then we're gonna start trying to fish these other ones in, you did? So stay tuned. Right now, man, finna get the chopping on these mufflers. You already know what time it is. Got my saws off. You know what I mean? Ready to go, my light pointed up. I ain't gonna hold you. This would be the first time ever that I did something like this. It shouldn't be that hard, to be honest with you. I want to take it down as a whole. So what I'm probably gonna end up doing is, I can't wait to get this stuff down too, man. I'm ready to pressure wash up on here. I'm ready to spray. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take it down as a whole. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to cut the, I think I'm gonna cut the back off here. I think I'm gonna cut the back off right here to separate it from there. That means this will hold up still off of the bracket mounts. And then all I gotta do is just cut the brackets, the hangers. Yep, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, you did. So let's go on and get the chopping. man. So we done with that. You already know, yeah. So got it over here, man. Basically, this is my setup, man. Ain't nothing too fancy. You know what I mean? You know, I can tell you one thing. This whole thing is heavy as hell. It's heavy. So I see why J. Malcolm do like aluminum, and you know other people go do aluminum, because moving this is crazy. But got the exhaust cutouts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go back with exhaust cutouts, man. I think I'm gonna just leave that whole exhaust cutout thing out the equation this time around, man. So dual flows, and then it's on the other side, but I don't feel like doing all this. Yeah, on the other side. That's the 40s. 9 times 10, I'm probably gonna go back with 40s. But we're gonna do something totally different with the exhaust this time around, man. So you gotta stay tuned to that. Indeed, with that being said, man, we're gonna go and wrap this vid up, man. So I appreciate y'all checking in, and see y'all next go round. You dig?